Hello everyone, my name is Vito and I'm the Huawei Experience Store Trainer. Today on Discover Huawei, let me introduce to you one of the latest innovation, the Huawei Sound X, which is one of the most powerful speaker with amazing high-end audio and design. Let's explore it. Huawei Sound X design is inspired by the Golden Dome of Vienna Music Hall, and it comes with a smooth black surface as transparent and bright as the one on the mirror. The bottom of it has a seamless mesh fabric that is spill and stain resistant. A defining design feature on Huawei Sound X is its open, visible bass unit. The open design allows you to see and feel the bass vibration and enjoy the authenticity of your music. When music is played, the sound waves cause the speaker to vibrate, creating a lasting visual impression to pair with the emotional resonance of your favorite song.
My feelings tied up, I was lost.
In spite of having a sleek premium body, Huawei Sound X is equipped with two 3.5-inch Lavalier subwoofers that reproduce a powerful and deep bass to give you an outstanding audio experience, making your music sound as if it's being played live right next to you. These subwoofers are crafted from magnetic rare earth material, giving them the power to create massive vibration. The bass hits as low as 40 Hz, hitting amplitude of up to 20 mm, which allows you to see, hear, and feel the vibration at a deeper level. The lower frequency can bring a better listening experience with bass.
Only you kill the hurt in me. Put me back together, piece by piece. Only you unto my heart.
There is more to it. Huawei Sound X delivers a 360 surround sound experience as it's equipped with 6 powerful full-frequency tweeters, which are evenly distributed as a circle inside. Thanks to the signature push-push subwoofers configuration from Lavalier, the symmetrical structure allows each of subwoofers to cancel out of the vibration of the other, suppressing distortion to bring pure sound and keeping the stability of the Sound X at any volume.
Yeah, I believe it. Oh, the past is everything we were. Don't make us who we are. So I'll dream until I make it real, and all I see is.
Most of Huawei devices come with an innovative technology called Huawei Share that allows instant pairing between them. Sound X is not exception. With just a simple tap using your Huawei smartphone, you can play your music instantly to the Sound X.
Listen to my beats.
Thanks for tuning in on Discover Huawei to learn more about our Huawei Sound X. I hope this video gave you a better insight about our amazing smart speaker. We have more sessions on our latest product and videography, photography, and all the feature we have on our product. You can find it on Huawei community page or visit us on our Huawei Experience store and get products hands-on experience. See you soon.